8 Essential Healthy Breakfast Foods. This video will explore the significance of a nutritious breakfast, making healthier dietary choices, the impact of processed foods, and strategies to prevent blood sugar issues. The significance of a nutritious breakfast. Having a healthy breakfast is important for several reasons, as it provides numerous benefits for both physical and mental well-being. Here are some key reasons why having a healthy breakfast is crucial. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications for our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you. A. Energy boost. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day because it helps break the overnight fasting period. Consuming a nutritious breakfast replenishes glycogen stores and provides essential nutrients, giving you the energy needed to kick-start your day. B. Improved concentration and focus. A well-balanced breakfast can enhance cognitive function, concentration, and memory. It provides the brain with the necessary nutrients, such as glucose, which is crucial for optimal brain function. C. Weight management. Contrary to the belief that skipping meals, including breakfast, can aid in weight loss, research suggests that having a healthy breakfast may contribute to better weight management. It helps regulate appetite and prevents overeating later in the day. D. Blood sugar regulation. Eating a balanced breakfast can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Making healthier dietary choices. 1. Eggs are a popular and nutritious choice for breakfast. They are a rich source of various nutrients and provide several health benefits. Here's what eggs typically contain. Protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle health, and promoting satiety, which can help control appetite throughout the day. Vitamins. Eggs contain various vitamins, including vitamin B12, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. These vitamins play crucial roles in maintaining overall health, supporting the immune system, and promoting good vision. Minerals. Eggs are a good source of minerals such as iron, zinc, and selenium. Have 2 to 3 eggs. 2. Eating cheese for breakfast can be a part of a healthy and balanced meal, as long as it fits into your overall dietary preferences and nutritional goals. Cheese is a good source of several essential nutrients, including calcium, protein, phosphorus, and vitamins like B12. Calcium. Cheese is a good source of calcium, crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones and teeth. Avoid it if you are trying to lose weight since cheese is dense in calories. 3. Apple in the morning is amazing beneficial. It contains pectin and IA and nice fiber. Low in calories. Apples are relatively low in calories, making them a healthy and satisfying choice for those looking to manage their calorie intake. It has natural energy boost. Because is not in the form of juice, it will digest slowly into the gut. So because the digestion is slow, the sugar level is not going to be high like when drank in the form of juice. Drinking juice makes you go into storage mode and you become hungry within the next 2 hours or less. Always eat the real fruits. Consuming juice triggers your body to enter storage mode, leading to hunger within the next 2 hours or even less. Opt for whole fruits instead for a more satisfying and nourishing choice. 4. Yogurt can be a healthy and nutritious option for breakfast. Here are some reasons why yogurt is a good choice for the morning meal. Rich in nutrients. Yogurt is a good source of essential nutrients such as protein, calcium, vitamin B12, potassium, and probiotics. Protein content. Yogurt is a rich source of protein. Probiotics for gut health. Many yogurts contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. Make sure the label indicates no added sugar. Kefir, especially when paired with blueberries, is the preferred choice. The deeper the hue of the blueberries, the higher the phytochemical content, including flavonoids. 5. Bread toast can be a good option for breakfast, depending on the type of bread you choose and the toppings you add. It is very common after eating toast to feel hungry soon, This because bread acts as an appetite stimulant. Whole grain bread. Opt for whole grain or whole wheat bread instead of refined white bread. Whole grain breads contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing additional nutritional benefits. 6. Cereals. Highly processed cereals can be considered less favorable for breakfast for several reasons. High in added sugars. Many processed cereals are loaded with added sugars to enhance flavor. Consuming excessive added sugars is associated with various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and dental problems. Rapid blood sugar spikes. Cereals with refined grains can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. 7. Pancakes. While pancakes and syrup can be a delicious breakfast, they are not typically considered the healthiest option due to several factors. Traditional pancakes made from refined flour lack the fiber and nutrients found in whole grains. Syrup is high in added sugars and lacks significant nutritional value. Pancakes made from refined flour can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a subsequent crash, leading to feelings of hunger and fatigue. If you love pancakes, request for almond flour or coconut flour-based pancakes and top them with fresh fruits. 8. Protein-based breakfast. A protein-based breakfast offers several benefits for overall health and well-being. Over the years, research has consistently demonstrated the positive impact of amino acids on conditions such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, and fertility issues. Protein is more satiating than carbohydrates or fats, meaning it can help you feel full and satisfied. A protein-rich breakfast may reduce overall calorie intake by curbing hunger and preventing overeating later in the day. Strategies to prevent blood sugar issues. To prevent blood sugar problems during breakfast, consider implementing the following strategies. Choose complex carbohydrate. Incorporate fiber-rich fruits and vegetables into your breakfast, such as berries, apples, or leafy greens. Include protein sources such as eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, or lean meats in your breakfast. Opt for whole grains such as oats, whole wheat. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications for our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you.